What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Josh, and we back at it again on the Kicks and Bricks channel, y'all. So, just finished uploading the Air Jordan 4 Retro I'm on my year while you were sleeping, ABC 123 sneaker review. Make sure y'all check that video out. Man, I tell you what. So, I promised at the end of the video that wouldn't draw into this, but I'm trying to just flush it out my system on that freaking long hair, nappy hair, towel hair, long hair suede that they have on that sneaker. Oh, man, so disappointing. All right, yo, well, make sure y'all check that video out. Make sure y'all, hit that like button, subscribe, and the notification bell for that video. Again, thanks for sticking through, hanging with your boy, coming back to the channel, checking out the videos. Definitely it's appreciated very much. Grateful for the people that continue to watch and, check the channel out. So today's video is on another sneaker review that I'm definitely a lot happier about. So it is another colorway of a sneaker that I've featured already a couple times on this channel. It definitely, those other two were nostalgia buys for me, because of, my childhood sneakers. So, but this colorway wasn't necessarily a colorway that released back then, but I still copped it anyway because I think it was pretty dope. So, I was able to cop it off of Finish Line, and it took forever to get here. FedEx might have just, I don't know, misplaced my box or whatever, but I got it like freaking a week and a half after I ordered this thing. So upsetting. But hey, still here. I thought I lost it. I thought somebody got me. I thought the final boss got me. But nah, I got them in. So still grateful that I was able to get them. So all right, let's get to what the sneaker is. And it's in this box, y'all. Boom. It is not a Jordan. It is not a Foamposite. So again, definitely something different for the channel. Well, not different, but recently, added to the channel, but different, overall. It is the Air DT Max 96. Colorway is black, Vegas gold white. It is a size 9.5. And ladies and gents, in front of me, we got the Air Max DT Deion Sanders 96. Man, I don't even know they have a nickname, but these right here, Vegas gold ones, y'all. Check it out. All right, y'all. This right here. First impressions. The gold on here is sick. The tumbled leather on the gold is sick. Suede on the toe box and the upper. It's definitely a good material. And I'm not seeing any glue stains. Craftsmanship is pretty dope. Got your boy Deion on the bottom. Not a bad pickup for real. Definitely a good pickup because of the colorway, black and gold. You can't go wrong with black and gold. Matches my shirt. That's right. Respect. Yankees. World Series champs this year, 2024. Y'all watch out. But anyway. For sure, definitely a dope colorway, easy to match, easy to get a fit for, and top of that, again, it was just a nostalgia buy for me. I loved the Deion's coming up. This Deion, love these Deion sneakers coming up. I know he had a few of them, but this silhouette is the one that I loved growing up, y'all. So, but let me stop running this mouth. And let's get this in front of the camera so you guys can do the up close and personal and see how good of a pickup this was, because the craftsmanship is dope. And of course, there's a $1.70 or cheap. I think I used the coupon because I've been using up my Finish Line points to get some dough off of these just releases. So I think it was $20 off on this, so definitely below retail. But let's get in front of the camera, up close and personal, so y'all can check it. Nothing more to it than to do it. Let's get it. All right, y'all, in front of us, we have the Air DT Max 96s, the gold and black colorway. Forget what these are called. I know that they were meant for the Colorado team that Dion is on, but again, I never really paid much attention on what was the actual nickname for them, if it had a nickname anyway, because to me they're just still the Dion. So all right, well, let's take a quick look at these. We got your Nike box, normal Nike box that normally comes with some, you know, not so special but nice looking kicks. We're not here for the box, we're here for the kicks. And here they are, y'all. Check them out. We got the, man, there was a long wait, as I've said before, to get these freaking FedEx. Took so long to deliver these, but man, these are dope. Quality of these, so nice. That suede, so nice and soft, and getting my ashy skin on there, messing it up a little bit, but yeah, you got some nice midsole gold. That gold on the leather is nice, that tumble leather look, man. You know, got the little 3M things in there, little, I don't know what you want to call them, little holes with 3M in them, but that's pretty dope. Air bubble, dope as always. And of course, we got my man Dion on the bottom of the kicks. Let me do that little upside down flip on y'all. There goes your man's in them, Dion. Prime time. So again, I can't believe that they came. And you know what? I also got these below retail because I used $20 coupon on Finish Line to get these. So boom, great sneaker and below retail. Hey, you can never beat that, right? But glad to add these to the other two DT Maxes that I had. Of course, you know, again, this is just a nostalgia buy for me. I mean, this colorway wasn't out when they first came out, but this is a dope colorway that I wouldn't mind adding to the collection, you know. And I did, you know, especially when it was under retail. So all right, let me know what y'all think about these. You know, was this a cop? Was this a miss? I mean, I know a lot of teams out there have that black and gold. So, you know, you got the Saints. You got here in, of course, Colorado. Here in Florida, we got UCF. They have black and gold colorway. So a lot of teams can get down with this and rock these pretty fly. So let me know what you think about the sneaker. Let me know if y'all missed out on these. If this is a cop for y'all. Was it a pass? You know, if you intentionally pass on them, if you cop more than one, this is going to be my only pair that I cop. So, all right, y'all, well, let's get back in front of this camera, give the final comments and thoughts on the sneaker. We'll take it from there, y'all. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all, that was the review and the up close and personal of the Air Max DT 96 Air DT Max 96 Deion Sanders, the gold and black pair, you know, for the Colorado team that he's coaching right now. Again, dope pickup, dope craftsmanship on it. I'm happy I copped it. Definitely worth the $150 or so that I paid, $170, whatever it was. I know I got it for a good deal, but I waited hella long for it because of FedEx. Thanks, FedEx. Appreciate it, y'all. So anyway, other than that, let your boy know what you thought about, you know, the review and the up close in the comment section. Since y'all stayed this, you know, this long with the video, might as well just hit that like button, please, and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate all the support and all y'all watching. And there's nothing left to say other than it's your boy Josh. We on the Kicks and Bricks channel. We got the Air DT Max 96 Deion Sanders Colorado. Let's call them the Colorado colorway. Okay. That's what it is, right? Hey, keep it locked in, and until next time, holla at your boy.